Are you looking for the best self-feed drill bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best self-feed drill bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT Self-Feed Drill Bit DW1E639. The DEWALT Self-Feed bit is designed to make drilling into wood easier and more efficient. Its 3 hardened cutting surfaces ensure durability, reducing the chance of binding and allowing for quick chip removal. The aggressive replaceable tip helps you pull the bit smoothly into the material, making your work faster. With a 7/16 inches quick change shank, you can swap bits in seconds, saving you valuable time. Additionally, the open tooth design makes it simple to resharpen the bit, prolonging its life and maintaining performance, so you can keep working without interruptions. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee 4825 5-in-120 Switchblade Selfeed bit. The Milwaukee Switchblade Selfeed bit is an efficient self-feed drill bit designed to make drilling faster and easier. With an aggressive feed screw design, it can pull through wood faster, resulting in quicker drilling. The replacement blades made with hardened steel increase bit life, making it a durable and long-lasting tool. The size and model number are engraved on each bit for easy identification. This self-feed drill bit comes with 2 replaceable blades, 2 feed screws, 2 set screws, and 1 hex wrench. With its efficiency and durability, the Milwaukee Switchblade bit is an excellent choice for any DIY project or professional job. The 3rd product on our list is the Crescent Self-Feed Drill Bit CDSF. The Crescent Self-Feed Bit CDSF 545 is a reliable tool with features tailored to enhance your drilling experience. Its durable blades are designed for long-lasting use and can be easily sharpened for continuous optimal cutting. The screw point tip ensures quick engagement with materials, while the center feed screw point guides the bit for faster and more precise drilling. With a 7/16 inches quick-release hex shank, you can work efficiently without worrying about slippage. These features combined deliver a seamless drilling process with minimal hassle. Second on our list is the DEWALT Self-Feed Drill Bit DW1E630. The DEWALT Self-Feed bit offers exceptional performance for your drilling needs. With its aggressive spur design, you can expect rapid penetration into various materials, making your tasks quicker and more efficient. The optimized cutting geometry ensures that the bit lasts longer, reducing the frequency of replacements. Additionally, the open tooth design allows for multiple resharpenings, meaning you can maintain its effectiveness over time. The 7/16-inch ball groove shank enables quick changes, allowing you to switch bits effortlessly during projects. This combination of features makes it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT Self-Feed Drill Bit DW1E634. The DEWALT Self-Feed bit is designed for efficiency and durability. With 3 hardened cutting surfaces, it ensures a long lifespan while minimizing binding and facilitating quick chip removal. The aggressive replaceable tip allows you to effortlessly pull the bit into wood, making your drilling tasks smoother. Additionally, the 7/16 inches quick change shank enables you to swap bits quickly, saving you valuable time. Plus, the open tooth design means you can easily resharpen the bit when needed, ensuring consistent performance for all your projects. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.